Namaste students, myself Nidhi Shaparya from Saraswati Group of Education. Today I am conducting this session for subject Math grade 4 and this is our fourth session for the chapter Large Numbers. So students, in our previous session we have gone through the concepts of successor and predecessor of a given number, then comparison of numbers and arranging the numbers in ascending and descending orders.
Now students, before we move on to the next topic for today's session, let us have a look at this question given over here in the Apply It section based on our knowledge of successor and predecessor of a number. So the question is, on your next birthday, would the number formed by your birthday in this format, that is the day first, then the month, then the year, be greater or smaller? So over here, let us say your birth date is 14th May. So this year, you would have celebrated your birthday on this date. The year would be 2021. Now, the number that is formed using this date is 1,40,52,021. Now, next year, the day when you would celebrate your birthday would be this. So, using this date, the number that is formed is this 1,40,52,022. Now, when we add 1 to this number, we get this number. So, this number 1,40,52,022 is the successor of this number, that is 1,40,52,021. So that is why this number is greater than this number. So greater, this is the right option for this question.
So now, today let us have a look at the concept of forming numbers. So over here we have two cases, forming the greatest number from the given set of digits and forming the smallest number from the given set of digits. So let us have a look at this case, forming the greatest number. So over here we are given these 4 digits. Now to form the greatest 4-digit number using these 4 digits only once. So what will we do? We will arrange these 4 digits in the descending order because we want to form the greatest number. So the digit which is having greatest value will be the first one, and then in the descending order we will write the digits. So let us arrange these in the descending order. So 9 is the digit having greatest value. So 9, then 8, then 4, then 0 having the least value. So this is the descending order for these 4 digits. So writing these digits in this order over here, we will get our greatest 4-digit number. So the number is 9840. This is the greatest 4-digit number that we get using these 4 digits, and we have used each digit only once over here. Now over here we are given these 4 digits and we want to form the smallest number, the smallest 4-digit number using these 4 digits. So now we will arrange these 4 digits in the ascending order from the least value to the highest value. So 1 will be the first digit over here in the ascending order, then we will have 2, then 6, then 8. So here the digits are arranged in ascending order. Writing them over here. So we get the number 1268, and this is the smallest 4-digit number that is formed using these 4 digits, and each digit is used only once. Now let us take this example. We are given these 4 digits and we want to form the smallest 4-digit number using these 4 digits. So let us arrange them in the ascending order. order. So first we will write 0, then 1, then 3 and then 6. So here the digits are arranged in the ascending order, but if I write them in this order over here, that is 0, 1, 3 and 6. So if we see this number, then we will consider this as a 3-digit number. We will not count digit 0 which is written at the beginning. So we will consider this number as a 3-digit number, that is 136. So we should not write 0 at the beginning. So what will we do now? So here in this case we will exchange the place of 0 with the next smallest digit, that is over here digit 1. So we will exchange 0 with the digit which is immediately to its right, the next smallest digit. So now we have our smallest 4-digit number, that is 1036. This is our smallest 4-digit number that we get using these 4 digits, and each digit is used only once. Now students, using the same set of 4 digits, if we want to form the greatest 6-digit number over here, then what will we do now? So first we will write these 4 digits over here in these 4 blanks. So now what about these 2 blanks? What about these 2 places, as we want to form the greatest 6-digit number? So over here 9 is having the greatest value. So here we will repeat this digit, the one which is having the greatest value, towards extreme left, these 2 blanks. So we will repeat this digit, and here we will get our 6-digit number, the greatest 6-digit number, that is formed using these 4 digits, and we have repeated the digit which is having greatest value towards the extreme left. So we have the number 9,99,840. This is the greatest 6-digit number that is formed using these 4 digits. Now students, over here again taking these same digits, 4 digits, but now we want to form the smallest 6-digit number over here. So we have the digits in the ascending order over here. Now let us write them here. So over here I will write these 4 digits in this ascending order. Now in this case we want to form the smallest 6-digit number. So 1 is having the least value. So we will repeat this digit towards the extreme left. So repeating this digit, and this is our smallest 6-digit number that is formed using these 4 digits, and the number is 1,11,268. Now students, taking these 4 digits, let us form the smallest 6-digit number over here. So now we know that we cannot write 0 in the extreme left, the highest place. So we will write the next smallest digit first in this leftmost place. So over here in this ascending order arrangement, the next smallest digit is 1. Right? So we will write that in the leftmost place, and we have to use each of these digits at least once. Right? So over here we will write these 2 digits, first the smaller one and then the next one in the ascending order. Right? Now here in these 3 places we will repeat the digit which is having least value, that is digit 0. So we will repeat this digit over here. As 0 is in the middle, it is not in the leftmost place. So now this is considered as our smallest 6-digit number that is formed using these 4 digits, and the number is 1,36,000. 6. Now students, let us solve questions from exercise 1.3 given on page 10 over here. And also in your homework you will complete this exercise 1.3 in your CW books. And copy the questions. I have not written the questions over here, but copy the questions in your books. Now, the first question, you have to write the greatest and smallest numbers that can be formed with the given digits. So in the first question, in each question from A to E, in each question you are given 5 digits. And you have to form the smallest and the greatest numbers using the given 5 digits. And the condition is that you have to use each digit once. So if you have to use each digit once over here, it means you have to form the smallest and the greatest 5-digit numbers, as you are given 5 digits over here in each of these questions. So now over here we have to write the smallest 5-digit number using these 5 digits. So we will arrange these digits in the ascending order over here. So we will get our smallest number. So over here 1 is having the least value. So writing that first, then you can mark these digits as you write them over here. So you do not make any mistake. After digit 1, we have digit 2, which is having the least value from the remaining digits. Then after that we have 5. Then comes, so marking this, then comes digit 6. And now the digit which is having the greatest value, so 8. So this number, that is 12,568. This is the smallest 5-digit number that is formed using these 5 digits, using each digit once. Now the greatest 5-digit number that is formed will be, you have to arrange the digits over here in descending order. So the reverse of this order. So 8, then 6, then 5, then 2, then 1. Putting the comma over here, we have the number 86,521, which is the greatest 5-digit number formed using these 5 digits, using each digit once. Then over here. Now in this case, we have digit 0 as well among the given digits. So we cannot write 0 at the beginning. We need to exchange the place of 0 with the next smallest digit. So in this case, after 0, the next smallest digit is 1. So instead of writing 0 and 1, we will write 1 and then 0. And then we will carry on our ascending order over here. So after noting down these 2 digits, we have this digit that comes in the ascending order arrangement. So 3, then comes 4, and then comes 5. So here again, what have we done? We have exchanged the place of 0 and 1. So we get the number 10,345 as the smallest 5-digit number formed using these 5 digits and using each digit once. Now, writing these digits in the descending order over here, we will get our greatest number. So, 5 having the greatest value, then 4, then 3, then 1, and then 0 having the least value. So, this number, that is 54,310. This is the greatest 5-digit number that is formed using these 5 digits and using each digit once. Now, in question 2, you are given, in each of these questions, you are given 3 digits. And over here, you have to write the greatest and the smallest 6-digit numbers. 6-digit numbers using the given digits, and you may repeat the digits over here. Obviously, we have to repeat the digits because we are given 3 digits. and we have to form a 6-digit number. Then you have to use each digit at least once. Now, over here, writing them in the ascending order over here. So, 1, 3 and 7. Now, towards the extreme left, over here, we will repeat the digit which is having the least value. So, 1 is having the least value, so we will repeat it over here. So, this is our smallest 6-digit number that is formed using these 3 digits. And we have used these 3 digits at least once over here. So, the number is 1,11,137. Now, the greatest 6-digit number that is formed will be, so here we will write the 3 digits in descending order. That is 731. 731. And now we will repeat this digit which is having the greatest value towards the extreme left. So repeating the digit 7, we have this number which is the greatest 6-digit number that is formed using the 3 given digits. So we have the number 7,77,731. Then in the next question, we have these 3 digits. So we know that we cannot write 0 in the extreme left. So after 0, which is the next smallest digit, 5. So we will write 5 over here in the extreme left. And 6, since we have to use each digit at least once. So we will write 6 over here in the ones place. And over here in the middle, we will repeat the digit which is having the least value. So 0. We will repeat it over here. So this is the 6-digit number, the smallest 6-digit number formed using these 3 digits, and each digit is used at least once. And we have repeated 0 over here. And the number is 5,06,000. And the greatest 6-digit number. So arranging them over here in the descending order, the order will be 6, 5 and 0. And over here repeating the digit which is having greatest value. So repeating 6 over here in these 3 places, we get this number as the greatest 6-digit number. And the number is 6,66,650. Okay, now these digits are given, the 3 digits. Again over here we cannot write 0 in the extreme left. So the next smallest digit is 4. So we will write 4 in the leftmost place, and 8 having the greatest value from among these, we will write it over here in the ones place. And over here we will repeat digit 0. So this is the smallest 6-digit number that is formed using these 3 digits, and the number is 4,08,000. Putting the comma over here. So this is the number, smallest 6-digit number. Now the greatest 6-digit number formed using these 3 digits. Writing them in descending order over here. So we have 8, 4 and 0, and repeating 8 which is having the greatest value towards the extreme left. So repeating it over here. The number formed is 8,88,840, the greatest 6-digit number, using these 3 digits and using the digits at least once. Now students, you will complete the questions of this exercise 1.3 in your classwork books, and we will meet in the next session. Till then, keep safe.